Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today, we are going to solve a problem. Before I begin anything in solving a problem, let's read the problem together. Mika has made a tray of brownies and she wants to cut it into 24 equal pieces. She wants to share them equally with her 5 friends. Divide the tray of brownies and use color coding to show how many pieces Mika and her friends will each get. How many brownies does each friend get? Well, boys and girls, I don't know about you, but often when I look at a problem like this, I'm overwhelmed by all the words and I don't really know what needs to be done. So today, I'm going to introduce you to a strategy that I enjoy using to solve problems. And this strategy is called CUBES. CUBES is an acronym, and the acronym, the C, stands for Circle the Numbers and Labels. The U stands for Underline the questions and rewrite it as a statement. The B stands for Box in the maths action words. The E stands for Evaluate and eliminate unnecessary information. And the S stands for Solve and check. Well, let's use this strategy to solve this problem. If you don't need a strategy to solve this problem, go ahead and solve it on your own. Pause the video and try to work it out for yourself. Well, here we go again, boys and girls. Let's begin first by reading the problem. It says, Mika has made a tray of brownies and she wants to cut it into 24 equal pieces. She wants to share them equally with 5 of her friends. Divide the tray of brownies and use color coding to show how many pieces Mika and her friends will each get. How many brownies does each friend get? So my problem-solving strategy says that I need to circle the numbers and the labels. So I circled in red 24 equal pieces. I circled in red that there were 5 friends. I'm going to underline the question. The question says, how many brownies does each friend get? The B stands for box. Box in the maths action words that you can find. I found the word share. I also found the word divide. That gives me a clue as to what operation I will be using. The next is evaluate and eliminate unnecessary information. So in the box down below, I wrote here that it's Mika and her 5 friends, which means there are actually 6 people. As well as that the brownies are shared equally. That's important because I wouldn't want to be the friend that got less than my other friends. And the last part of the CUBES acronym is the S, solve and check. Now that I've done that, I even suggest, boys and girls, that you read the problem again. So let's read it again together. It says, Mika has made a tray of brownies and she wants to cut it into 24 equal pieces. She wants to share them equally with 5 of her friends. Divide the tray of brownies and use color coding to show how many pieces Mika and her friends will each get. How many brownies does each friend get? Well, here we go, boys and girls. I drew a tray and I made 24 blocks because I knew she wanted to cut it into 24 equal pieces. I then used my pencil crayons and colored in different ways to share out the brownies. Can you think of more ways to share the brownies? I'm sure you can. Here are some ways that you can represent the answer using a maths sum. You could go 24 divided by 6 equals 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24, or 6 times 4, which equals 24. Each person will get 4 brownies. My challenge to you is to try use the cube problem solving strategy and solve this problem. Have a great day learning.